Trees have always been a big part of our story. Some components are made with natural rubber, with rubber that comes from trees. Kind of like this little plant here. Michelin is the first company to commit to using only responsibly sourced rubber. And internationally, we're making rubber from recycled household plastics, even styrofoam, which is pretty hard to do. With local and Canadian partners, we will be using alternative energy sources and recycling plastics, reducing waste, getting more energy efficient, more cost efficient, all to help to lighten the load. We're supporting projects that protect and preserve our natural spaces. We're looking down the road to make it a better planet. Not just for our people, but for everyone. Because we live here too. Okay.